Maybe tomorrow. Daddy will be flexible.
Dad or break the horse.
Whoa. At 24,000 na, kaya siguro, kaya.
I'll break the horse. You want Dad to break the horse?
Whoa. You wanna go to the garage now? Come on. Let's go to the garage. You have not played your, do you wanna learn your ice roller blades? Roller blades.
Skating.
You're skating. Oh, thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for subscribing, say Jilana. Busy sa taas, hindi ko alam ba't siya busy doon. Kanina pa doon simula dumating ako. Hindi, busy. Pinalayas nga niya kapatid niya kanina. Tawagin mo. Whoa. Whoa. Do you wanna do your rollerblade? You're gonna forget it if you don't practice your rollerblade. Huh? Because they're busy, but you can still do it. Come on. Let's do your rollerblade. No. Oh, come on. In the rollerblade is okay. Oops, 26,000 na. Kaya pa? 26,000 na, guys. Whoa. Pew! Anong ginagawa? Ako, siya na nauna. Aba, bakit ano meron? Sinipag. Kaya. Aba, okay, come on, Jilana, let's do your rollerblade.
Roller skate.
Roller skate. Come on.
She got up a little bit early.
Again? Why you wake up early today? What happened? Why, what happened? Why you wake up early today? You're so excited to go to school?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. $28,000 na. Mukhang kaya natin na. Whoa. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. No. Did you hurt yourself?
No.
Okay.
Dilana, what are you wearing tomorrow? That's tomorrow is Mom.
Brown.
Same color as your horse.
Brown daw. So may brown ba? Brown. Parang mayroon. Check mo.
Ay, dress na brown?
29,000 na tayo. Thank you, Rose. Alaska. Aba, mukhang masobrahan natin yan 500 Sana 1,000 yan, no? Astig. Oy. Oo, 30,000 na. No, hindi yan brown. Yellow yan? Oo nga. Nag 30,000 na tayo. Sana kung 500 siya, no? Oh, yeah. Brown. Gilana, is that brown? Look at Ate Dog. Bubati. Is that brown? Yellow and poop. Thank you. Ala, oo, yellow and poop naman yun